everyone! Remember that trip I took a while back? You know, the one with the amazing beaches and delicious food? Well, buckle up because I'm finally ready to spill the tea. It all started with a little island off the coast of Thailand called Koh Samui. Picture this, lush green jungles, turquoise waters, and soft, powdery sand. Yeah, it was pretty much paradise. From the moment I stepped off the plane, I knew I was in for something special. The air was warm and humid, filled with the scent of exotic flowers and salty sea breezes. It was like stepping into a postcard. So, if you're ready to escape the daily grind and embark on an unforgettable adventure, then keep reading. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's talk beaches, people. Koh Samui is home to some of the most stunning stretches of coastline I've ever seen. We're talking picture-perfect white sand, crystal-clear waters, and swaying palm trees. It's enough to make you want to ditch your phone and soak up every second. First up, Chaweng Beach. This is the island's most popular spot, and for good reason. The sand is like powdered sugar, and the water is a shade of blue that seems unreal. Whether you're into sunbathing, swimming, or just strolling along the shore, Chaweng has something for everyone. Then there's Lamai Beach. This one's a bit more laid back than Chaweng, but equally beautiful. Think dramatic rock formations, hidden coves, and plenty of space to relax and unwind. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds and find your own little slice of paradise. But wait, there's more. Koh Samui has beaches for every taste, from the secluded serenity of Lipanoi to the lively atmosphere of Beaufort. So, pack your swimsuit, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of Koh Samui's beaches. Now, I don't know about you, but I can't go on vacation without getting my adventure fix. And let me tell you, Koh Samui did not disappoint. For starters, the snorkeling and diving here are out of this world. We're talking vibrant coral reefs, colorful fish, and even the occasional sea turtle. It's like swimming in a giant aquarium. I even tried stand-up paddleboarding, which was a lot harder than it looked, but so much fun. If you prefer to stay dry, there are plenty of hiking trails to explore. One of my favorites was the hike to Nam Muang Waterfall. The trail winds through lush jungles, past towering trees and cascading waterfalls. It's a bit of a workout, but the views from the top are totally worth it. And for the adrenaline junkies out there, Koh Samui has ziplining, ATV riding, and even a jungle safari. Trust me, you'll never be bored on this island. Of course, no trip to Thailand is complete without experiencing the local culture. And Koh Samui has plenty to offer in that department. One of the most iconic landmarks on the island is the Big Buddha Temple. This towering golden statue is visible from miles around and is a must-see for any visitor. Remember to dress respectfully when visiting temples. Cover your shoulders and knees. Another cultural gem is Wat Plai Laem, a stunning temple complex featuring a giant white Guanyin statue, the goddess of mercy. The intricate details and vibrant colors are truly awe-inspiring. And if you're lucky enough to be there during a festival, you're in for a real treat. From Loi Krathong, the Festival of Lights, to Songkran, Thai New Year, Koh Samui knows how to celebrate. Think colorful parades, traditional music, and delicious food stalls. It's a feast for the senses. Section 5. A Culinary Journey, Tastes of Thailand. Speaking of food, let's talk about the culinary delights of Koh Samui. Thai food is famous worldwide for its bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and aromatic spices. And trust me, the food in Koh Samui does not disappoint. From street food stalls to upscale restaurants, you'll find delicious food everywhere you turn. Some of my personal favorites? Pad Thai, of course, green curry, mango sticky rice, and fresh spring rolls. And don't even get me started on the fruit shakes. So refreshing. One of the best things about Koh Samui is that you can find delicious food at every budget. Grab a quick and cheap bite at a local market, or treat yourself to a fine dining experience overlooking the ocean. No matter what you choose, your taste buds are in for a treat. Don't be afraid to be adventurous and try new things. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Section 6. Finding your paradise, accommodation for every traveler. Now, let's talk about where to rest your head after a long day of exploring. The good news is, Koh Samui has a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and travel style. If you're looking for luxury, you'll find plenty of 5-star resorts with private villas, infinity pools, and breathtaking ocean views. Talk about living the dream. But don't worry, there are also plenty of more affordable options available. From cozy guest houses to beachfront bungalows, you're sure to find the perfect place to call home during your stay. Many mid-range hotels offer great value for money, with swimming pools, restaurants, and comfortable rooms. And if you're on a tight budget, don't worry. There are plenty of hostels and budget-friendly guest houses available, especially in areas like Chaweng and Lamai. So no matter your budget, you're sure to find the perfect place to stay in Koh Samui. Section 7. Beyond the beaches, unveiling hidden gems. While the beaches are undoubtedly one of Koh Samui's biggest draws, there's so much more to this island than just sun, sand, and sea. Venture beyond the coastline, and you'll discover a world of hidden gems and unique experiences. One of my favorite discoveries was the secret Buddha garden. This magical place is tucked away in the lush jungle interior and features dozens of intricate statues depicting Buddhist mythology and local folklore. It's a truly serene and inspiring place to visit. For a dose of adventure, head to the Namuang Safari Park, where you can get up close and personal with elephants, monkeys, and other exotic animals. You can even take an elephant trek through the jungle, an experience you won't soon forget. And if you're looking for something a little different, check out the quirky and colorful Hinta and Hinyai rocks. These naturally formed rock formations resemble, well, let's just say they're a sight to behold. They're a popular spot for photos and a bit of a local legend. Section 8. Vibrant nightlife, from beach bars to night markets. As the sun sets, Koh Samui comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene that caters to every taste. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening under the stars, a wild night out with friends, or a taste of local culture, you'll find it all here. For a laid-back vibe, head to one of the many beach bars dotting the coastline. Sip on a cocktail, listen to live music, and watch the sunset over the horizon. Some bars even have fire shows and DJs keeping the party going late into the night. If you're looking for a more local experience, check out one of the island's night markets. These bustling markets come alive after dark, offering a feast for the senses. Browse through stalls selling everything from souvenirs and clothing to delicious street food and handmade crafts. And for those who want to dance the night away, there are nightclubs and bars playing everything from EDM to live music. No matter what your style, you're sure to find a place to let loose and have some fun in Koh Samui. Section 9. Wellness and rejuvenation, finding your Zen. If relaxation and rejuvenation are what you seek, Koh Samui is the perfect place to unwind and recharge. The island is renowned for its wellness retreats, yoga studios, and spa treatments, offering a sanctuary for mind, body, and soul. Indulge in a traditional Thai massage, known for its healing properties and stress-relieving benefits. Or treat yourself to a luxurious spa treatment, choosing from a range of facials, body wraps, and aromatherapy sessions. Many resorts and wellness centers offer yoga and meditation classes, allowing you to connect with your inner self amidst the tranquility of nature. Imagine practicing yoga to the sound of the ocean waves, or meditating in a lush tropical garden. Whether you're seeking a complete wellness overhaul or simply a break from the stresses of everyday life, Koh Samui offers a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Section 10. Responsible travel, preserving paradise. As travelers, it's our responsibility to protect and preserve the beautiful places we visit. Koh Samui, like many destinations, faces challenges from tourism, and it's important to travel responsibly to minimize our impact. One way to do this is by supporting local businesses. Eat at local restaurants, buy souvenirs from local artisans, and choose accommodation that prioritizes sustainability. This helps to ensure that the benefits of tourism reach the local community. Be mindful of your environmental footprint, reduce your plastic consumption, conserve water and energy, and dispose of waste responsibly. Avoid supporting activities that exploit animals or harm the environment. By making conscious choices and adopting sustainable practices, we can all contribute to preserving the beauty of Koh Samui for generations to come. Section 11. Conclusion. Koh Samui, your unforgettable Thai adventure. So, there you have it. My whirlwind tour of Koh Samui, Thailand. From the pristine beaches and thrilling adventures to the vibrant culture and delectable cuisine, this island paradise has something for everyone. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a cultural immersion, Koh Samui offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your escape to this tropical paradise and create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to pack your sense of adventure, an open mind, and a hearty appetite.